Hello friends, myself Swapnil and welcome to my channel Zyka Street. Today I am going to show you one very easy recipe of South India, that is neer dosa. It is also known as water dosa. So without wasting any time, let's start with the recipe. For that, first we will prepare spicy onion chutney. For that I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 medium sized onion, 5-6 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon tamarind, 2 dry red chilies, 5-6 fenugreek seeds. In spices I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds, half teaspoon urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon curry leaves, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon fennel powder and 1 tablespoon of degi mirch. Now let's move on to the pan. Here I have taken a wok and I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil in this. Once oil heats up, I'll add garlic. Let it roast for around 1 minute. After 1 minute, we'll add onion. We need to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Now our onions have become translucent, so we'll add few things. First goes in salt, fenugreek seeds, dry red chilies, tamarind and stir it for another 2 minutes. Now you can see that onions have turned brown. We'll switch off the gas and let it cool. After cooling, we'll put it in the grinder and make a fine paste. Now let's make the tempering. For that I have taken a wok and I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil in that. Once oil heats up, we'll add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, black gram and on low flame we'll roast it for around 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute, let's add other things. First I have added nigella seeds, curry leaves. I have added dried curry leaves. If you have fresh one, you can use that also. Just stir it and roast it for around 10 seconds. Now put the flame on low and add degi mirch. And on low flame roast it for around 10 seconds. Now we'll add onion paste in this. And we need to roast it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. So it's been 3 to 4 minutes, we'll add other spices in this. First I have added coriander powder, cumin powder, fennel seed powder. Now roast the spices for around 1 minute. So I have roasted the spices well. Now I'll add around half cup of water in this. Mix it nicely. Now we'll cover it and cook it for 1 minute on low flame. So it's been 1 minute, let's check it. You can see that our chutney has released the oil, that means it has cooked well. Just switch off the flame and let it cool. Now let's see which ingredients we need to prepare neer dosa. For that I have taken half bowl of rice. I have washed it properly and soaked it for 6 to 8 hours. 1 bowl of water. I have taken half bowl of rice, so 1 bowl of water. Half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon fresh coconut. First we need to grind the rice. For that I'll transfer it in a mixer grinder. Add coconut. Chop it into small pieces and add it. Now we'll add little water. I am adding the water from that 1 bowl of water only. Now grind it into smooth paste. See friends, I have grinded it and you can see the consistency. It's so smooth. I'll show you the texture, see. It's so smooth. Now we'll add remaining water in this. Salt. And mix it nicely. You see the consistency. It's almost like water. Now let's move on to the pan to prepare our soft knee dosas. Here I have taken a wok. We need to heat it on high flame. Now I have greased the pan with only 2 drops of oil. Just remove the excess oil and start pouring your batter. Just a ladle full of batter. Just pour it and tilt the pan so that batter spreads evenly. Cover and cook it on medium flame for around 20 to 30 seconds. So it's been 30 seconds, let's check it. Friends, it has cooked well and you can see that it has left the sides. We don't cook it on both the sides, we just cook it on one side. Just fold it, one fold and another fold, and it's done. Come, I'll show you one more. Again grease it. Pour the batter. Tilt the pan and let it spread evenly. If you see that any empty space is there also you can add batter. Cover and cook it for 20 to 30 seconds on medium flame. And you can see that it has cooked well. Just fold it, one fold and second fold, and it's done. So let's meet after preparing all the dosas. So friends, I have prepared all the dosas and served it with spicy onion chutney. Do try out the recipe and give me your feedback in the comment box below. If you like my recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye bye.